Welcome to Archimedia Accounts, Accountants for Startups page. So first of all, if you've never set up a business before and you are a startup, very well done. Having your own business can be extremely rewarding, extremely fulfilling. Obviously, there are a lot of downsides to setting up a business, to especially building a business from the ground up. A lot of learning to sort of go through different things, but it can be extremely rewarding as well. Obviously, I'm sure you're aware of some of the downsides and some of the benefits. But so one of the benefits people are potentially not aware of are that it's extremely fulfilling to be creative in your own business. And that's something which always, I think, takes people off guard. There's always ways that you can improve your business. Obviously, we're not the size of Amazon or Google, so that we've got plenty of places to go. And also the main thing to consider when the place where you should start from when thinking about improving your business is, where do I want to get to? Not where does the business want to get to or anything like that. Me personally, what do I want to achieve? Because that's what the business is going to have to do in terms of business planning that you're going to have to do, and your growth strategy and all the actions that's included in all that is only going to make sense if it's actually leading you towards what you personally want to achieve. And you'd be surprised at the amount of times I ask people, what do you really want? And they don't know. But it's a good question to not know the answer to, because it's quite exciting to figure it out. It can save you a lot of time going in the wrong direction from where you want to actually get to. So defining that first is extremely good. So the benefits of using an accountancy service for your startup business. So just kicking off here, the first one is compliance. So who really wants to get involved, especially if you're a limited company, in terms of, do you really want to get involved in learning all the financial laws, all the tax laws, all the rest of it? The last thing you want is for you to have missed something and then you sort of get stung and by HMRC Companies House. And also, it's just bad economy. Like, you should be spending your time improving your products, learning about your customers and all the rest of it, not becoming a certified accountant. So compliance is a good one. Tax savings as well. So we always say, as you know, coming to an accountant like us, we should be saving you at least 2 or 3 times as much, at least, in tax savings that you're paying us. So if you're paying us sort of like £100 a month, we should be saving you at least £300 a month. And that's the way to see it, like an investment. And also think about the future tax savings. So you might sort of save yourself 10 grand, 20 grand in a future year, just simply because of good tax planning that you've done. Now, a main one is also helping you in your actual business. So as accountants, we're successful accountants, and we've got a successful business that's been going for 15 years, and we've got plenty of successful clients, and we sort of have a rule where we don't let our clients become unsuccessful. We usually break contract with them if they're starting to not be successful, and that is definitely because either they're, it doesn't really happen where they're lazy, we don't really get any of that, but if they're not listening to advice that we're just literally shouting at them, then we just sort of get rid of them as a client, break contract with them, because you shouldn't really be failing in business. The only reason you would fail in your business is because you're not listening to good quality advice. There's certain things which every business should have. For example, systems, a good marketing plan, good sales process, things like this which can always be improved. And if you do them well, you do them right, and you've got a partner backing you up and helping you with that, then there's no reason that your startup should fail. So, and you should just grow, because the business world is extremely competitive, but you'd be surprised at how badly people do things. So having a good partner to show you how and hold you accountable is a key thing to doing those things well, is very, very important to your business's success. And this is something obviously an accountant can help with if they care with their other businesses as well. So that's pretty much it. Have a read of this page. There's lots of good stuff on here about the services that we provide, a breakdown of those services. There'll be links onto other pages where you can get kind of a breakdown. If you are a startup, then you definitely want to just learn about the different services that an accountant will help you with. Just a very, very brief overview, maybe just a few minutes read on each of the services, like bookkeeping, what you need to do for year-end accounts, what you need to do for corporation tax, what tax planning is, what's involved in that process. So we kind of work on a fixed fee basis. So we agree on a fixed fee dependent on the services that you need from us and how many transactions you have and that kind of thing. And we just got that one fixed service, so you can then, the idea is that includes everything, all the tax planning involved. So it's not just about the business either, it's about your personal life and your entire family as well. So the idea is we do lots of tax planning to figure out how it all should be structured, and then we just take it over from there for you and just help you in your business as well, figuring out what your goals are, what you want to achieve, and then actually helping you implement that as well, and just basically making sure that you're a success, that you achieve the thing that you want to achieve. And chances are we've got other clients that are in the same industry as you, at the same exact journey as you, and we kind of know exactly where to help. Another one to check out potentially is our business planning page. So if you need if you're at that particular startup stage, maybe you're going for funding as well, business planning might be a good one for you. And it's not just kind of like downloading a template of this business plan and writing out what's your sustainability sort of plan and all this BS basically. It's really getting into the nitty gritty of finding the obstacles that are stopping you from achieving the thing that you want to achieve, getting to that really dirty stuff, and then sort of figuring out a plan to get out of there, making you more confident in terms of solving those really difficult problems that you've got. And that's if you're at a really early stage. So check out the business plan if you are. So thank you very much. Also, you can book a discovery call anywhere on this page, and that's a 15-20 minute call from Barbara, Head of Tax, and she's a very lovely lady and lots of experience, owns lots of property, so she's got a very large property portfolio. I also have a property portfolio of my own. So it's all, and that's what it's all about. It's all about helping you achieve that passive income that you kind of want to achieve, retire early, all that kind of stuff. So thank you very much again, and please book that discovery call so we can sort of take it from there, just so you can learn more about our service. Thank you.